Hello everyone. So in this problem, we have to write a program that exchanges the contents of two files, file A and file B. We have to implement exception handling for file not found error if file A.txt is not found, IO error during the reading or writing operations, and if there are any unexpected errors, we have to use generic exception handling. These three are just like we have done in the previous problem. Okay. So first we'll create a file, say file A.txt, and here we'll put any message. Okay. Hello world. Okay, we have to exchange the contents. So apart from file a.txt, it can also be possible that file b.txt is also not found, right? So file a.txt or file b.txt is not found. So apart from file a.txt, we'll also have to create a file b.txt, and here we'll say welcome to Python. Welcome to Python. Okay, so now our program should exchange the contents of file A and file B. Okay. So to begin with, we'll simply create two strings. Okay, this is very simple problem. What we'll do is with open file a.txt, comma r. So we are reading the contents of A as, let's say, file A. And just to show you a fun thing, we can also open multiple files in the same with block. So I can say comma open file b.txt. And while I'm writing this, let me remind you that I'm simply writing the file names over here because both my files are in the same folder as my programs. But if it is not, here you always have to specify the complete path. But in this case, they are in the same folder, so we are not. Okay, we are directly writing the file name. So if your file and program are in the same folder, you will simply write the relative path that is just the file name. Okay. Now the string content A string will simply be file A dot read, and content B will be file B dot read. Okay. Now I like, since we have seen a lot of problems in this playlist from the beginning, I'm not printing the content and content B right now because I'm sure that the contents will be read properly in content A and content B. So I'm simply doing the next step, that is with open. Okay, in fact, what I can do is I can use the same statement, but instead of R, I'll say W because I want to write now. Okay, and I'll say file A dot write, file A dot write content B, and file B dot write content A. Okay, and what we can do is, just because there is nothing getting printed in this program, we'll simply print a message that file contents exchanged successfully. Just a message for the end user. The contents have been exchanged successfully. Okay. Now this entire thing we'll have to put in try catch block for the three exceptions. Okay. So I'll put this in try except block. Okay. So I'll put this in try except blocks. And the exception that I'm trying to, first exception that I'm trying to handle is file not found error. Okay. And here I'm printing the message. Okay, I'll just put a generic message. File not found. Or what I can do is, because specifically which file is not found, I don't know. So what I can do is I can catch this as F and I can simply print F so that I'll know exactly which file was not found. Okay. We can customize this further, but for now, we'll keep it simple. And for IO error during read write operation. Okay, so print just during file read slash write operation. Okay, to be even more precise, what we could have done was we could have written a separate try except block for file A. We could have separated width for file A, width for file B. So we would have four width blocks and then each width block in its own try except. Okay, so but for now I'm keeping it simple like this. Okay, so before exchange, file A contains hello world, file B contains welcome to Python. Let's just run this and see what happens. Okay, and now let's see. File A contains welcome to Python and file B contains hello world. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Okay, well, one more thing I forgot to add over here. I forgot to add the uh, generic exception के लिए except exception E. Okay, so as E, print unexpected error. Yeah, unexpected error E. Okay, so I think now we are done. Okay, yes, thanks for watching.